The humble dal can be made special by adding seasonal vegetables like radish and spinach. Today on Rannar Oshmita, we will show you how to make creamy urad dal with these vegetables, which is both delicious and nutritious. Start with whole urad dal, a staple in most Indian kitchens. Dry roast it in a kahai over medium heat for 2 minutes. This step is a game changer. It brings out the natural oils, giving the dal a nutty aroma and richer flavor. Once roasted, add 2 cups of water to the kadhai to cook the dal. Then add some salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric powder. Bring the dal to a rolling boil. Then lower the flame, cover and let it simmer for 20 minutes. If you are using a pressure cooker, cook the dal for 2 whistles on high flame. When the dal is cooked, you will notice the pulses are tender but still whole. Take a dal smasher or even the back of a ladle and gently mash the dal until it's creamy and smooth. It's the traditional touch that makes the difference. Add some water to adjust the consistency of your dal to your liking. Next up, take the radish, peel and slice them into bite-sized rings. Add this to the dal and let them simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. You want them cooked but still with a slight crunch. Next, add 8 to 10 washed spinach leaves to the pot. Let them simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are perfectly blanched. The vibrant green spinach adds a pop of color and a boost of nutrition. While our dal simmers, let's make a flavorful tempering for this. In a tempering bowl or a small pan, heat a couple of tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, add a bay leaf, a dry red chili, a few chopped green chilies for some heat, grated ginger, and a pinch of hing. Pour this sizzling tempering over your dal and give it a gentle stir to infuse all the flavors. Trust us, that aroma of this dal will be irresistible. Your beautiful urad dal with radish and spinach is now ready to serve. Pair it with steaming hot rice or soft rotis. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!